Hello friends, welcome to your own channel on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are learning Python basics in Q&A format. In last video, we saw a basic question on string manipulation. In this video, we will learn list manipulation. The question is, as you can see, you have to create a list object. The list object should have at least 5 to 6 elements, and then you have to apply list manipulation functions like length, list, append, extend, insert, count, index, remove, pop, reverse, sort, min, max, sum, and understand the usage of these functions. Pause the video, try to answer these questions, and once you have done, you can see the solution. Okay, I am now going to display the solution. Hope you have paused and you have yourself found the answers. I am creating a list where I'm naming it a fruit plate, and it has some fruits, 5 fruits name, as you can see. Length function returns how many objects, how many elements are there in the list. I append one fruit, grapes. When you append, it adds an object at the end of the list. So when I append, earlier I had 5 fruits. After append, there is one more fruit, grapes. I want to insert a fruit at position index 2, sweet lemon. Index position 0, 1, and at index 2 we have sweet lemon. I want to count the occurrence of a given element, given object. Grapes occurs once in the list. I want to get the index of the fruit sweet lemon. The object sweet lemon is at index position 2. I wish to remove an object, and the object is orange. When I remove it, this object orange is no longer there in the list. Pop. Let us see the pop function. I will say a popped fruit is equal to, okay, and let's say print popped fruit. At the same time, let us print the fruit plate. When you run a pop function, the last object is popped out. That object is returned, and we have captured that in a variable, and when I print it, it shows the popped fruit, and the fruit plate list has got modified. This last object is no more there in the list. Reverse. This is the fruit plate sequence that we have currently. When we run the syntax reverse, it reverses the order. I apply a sort function and the fruits are now sorted alphabetically. We are now trying to apply some numeric functions. So I have created a num list. Before I create a num list, let me try min function with the fruit plate. It gives me banana. Why? Alphabetically, B comes before C, M, S, W. So alphabetically in the sequence, as you can see, we have sorted it. If you apply min, it gives you the minimum based on alphabetical order. Rightly, you would have understood that if we apply max, it gives the last object based on the alphabetical ordering. But ideally, we should be applying these functions on numeric values. So I'm creating a num list and then you can see the min, max. Obviously, if you would have tried applying sum in the previous example, you would have got an error. I apply sum on the fruit plate, it will give you an error, which is obvious. But min and max was not obvious because one would think that min and max would be applied on numeric values. However, we see the min and max can be applied on string values. In that case, it gives the value returned is based on alphabetical order. So this was a quick video on list manipulation. I hope you are enjoying this Q&A format of learning. If you really liked this video, I request you to press the like button. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I request you to subscribe and request you to volunteer, comment to make this video popular, and volunteer to share with your friends, colleagues, so they can also benefit from these videos that I am posting on the YouTube. In our upcoming video, we are going to discuss on loops. I would give you a question on loops. So see you in the next video. Kindly like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.